Hey guys, it's Tomato Tech again, and if you want to know what's inside the Logitech G432 box, then keep watching. So don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video and want to see more, or if you have a special wish what you want to see, please let me know in comments below. So without further talking, let's jump right in after the intro. First, let's have a quick look around the box. On the front you have the big image of the headphones or the headset. Then here you have the Logitech G logo. On the back you have some key feature, as well as on the side you have some technical specifications. And yeah, that's about it. So let's open this box up. Let's see what we have inside. Looks like we have to pull on this latch. Let me see if I can show you this. So, guess that's it. We have to pull here. Oh, and there falls out some instructions. Don't use this. And oh, what's that? Looks like a headphone splitter. So maybe, yeah, one for mic and one for the audio. So that's good. I don't know. Maybe some computers don't have a combo jack. So that's what you got here. And of course you got your headphones, but let's put that aside. I saw there's something else in there. Okay, so also an adapter if you don't have a headphone jack, USB to 3.5 millimeter. Okay, so let's have a look at the headphones itself. Let me just put this aside a bit. Not the best looking packaging, but I guess it gets the job done. So I'll also remove this from the mic. First look. So that is all you get inside the box of the Logitech G432. Let me put aside these adapters real quick so we can just have a look at the headphones itself. So I will go around some of the key features and tell you a bit about the quality and so on, but I will do an in-depth review next week, also talking about the sound quality and so on, so stay tuned for that. So first, of course, you have your microphone. You can put it down or up. If you just listen to music and you don't want the microphone to be here, you can do that. And the microphone itself, it's good quality. Of course, you can adjust it like this. I think it is enough for most of you, but keep in mind the angle is not too big. You can do here. So that's about the microphone. Then we have, of course, the 3.5 millimeter cable, non-removable, but I think that's not a big issue because the cable feels sturdy and it is quite long, so no need to replace this. Then of course you have volume up and down. It's like a scroll wheel. Then the cushioning is very soft and I think it will fit most of you. And of course you can adjust the headband and tilt it and so on. What I noticed, a bit of a quality issue here. This one goes very strong to turn, while this one just flips by itself. So bit of a quality issue here. I'm not sure if this is just mine, but that's okay. I can live with that. I think that's about it with the Logitech G432. I will do an in-depth review next week, as I said. And yeah, let me know in comments below what I can do better in my videos and so on. But if you liked it, just give it a thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next one.